My name is Paul. I'm down at Vanwise in Harlow. First of all, thank you very much for the interest in the H2 Ford Custom I've got right here behind me. Just wanted to make a short video, go for a walk around the van itself, show you some of the features this van has got that can benefit yourself and your business. So let's have a look around. Okay, so this is the Ford Transit Custom H2. Now, first thing, it's a 71 plate pre-reg vehicle, so you do have the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty from when it was first registered. Aside from that, we have put it through a 128-point AA inspection, so having passed that inspection, you'll get an additional 3 months warranty covered by the AA. You can upgrade that warranty to 1, 2 or 3 years at your discretion as well. And as well as that, as you'll see looking around, bodywork's lovely condition there. We protect all of our vehicles' bodywork by applying a Gardex triple layer treatment. That helps to protect that lovely finish against any negative effects from UV or acidity and rain, anything at all like that. So this is the limited edition version of this vehicle, so lots and lots of extra features for you. Just as we're walking around, you'll see that you've got the parking sensors on the front of the vehicle, fog lights for increased visibility in low light. Got the LED daytime running lights, as you can see there, and those lovely Xenon headlights as well. Just as we're walking around, you'll notice that the trims and the bumpers are all colour coded. You've got those lovely Ford alloy wheels as well. Just as we get round to the back, there's those parking sensors on the back bumper. Okay, so just opening the back, looking in the back there. So, in the back of the vehicle, as you can see, it's all been ply lined. That's a nice little feature of having the limited editions. You've got that lovely hard plastic floor there. That's great for sliding things in and out. The ply lining on the side, most importantly, that gives the van some protection if anything does slip or fall in the back. You've got those lovely harnessing points around there as well. So if you do need to tie anything down for stability or safety, it's very, very easy to do so. In terms of dimensions, you've got 140 centimetres width between the wheel arches, so that's obviously wider up front there. 280 centimetres from the bulkhead coming all the way to the back doors there. And then you've got 190 centimetres in the back of height from the floor to the ceiling. In the back, as you can see, you've got the ultra bright LED lights there for added visibility if you're working in the dark. And you've got another 45 centimetres of storage space above the cab. That's good for another 20 kilos of weight above there. So, let's jump into the driver's seat and have a look in there. Okay, so looking at the dash from the steering wheel. So first of all, 25,000 miles, as you can see. That's the vehicle's mileage. Just going to start the van up. As you see, it starts up nice and easy first time, which is perfect. Just looking at the dash as well, no warning lights on that dash display either, apart from the washer fluid that's going to be topped up during the QC checks that we'll do just shortly through the process that all of our vehicles go through. Now, with this vehicle, it is limited edition, as we've said, so you've got the automatic headlights included, as you can see there. You've got electronic power fold mirrors as well, so I'm just going to pull that lever and those mirrors will fold out, back inwards, and if you just pull it again, they'll fold back out. Electronically controlled windows and central locking. Looking at your steering wheel, fully connective options to control what you've got on the dash display there, cruise control on the left and speed limiter, volume controls, voice controls, track controls and hands-free calling, so lots and lots going on there for you. Moving across to the climate controls. So with the Fords, it's really nice to have that electronically heated front windscreen. That's really useful on cold, frosty days. But with the Limiteds, you've got 3-stage heated front seats and aircon included as well. You've also got automatic stop-start. That's fantastic for saving fuel. Then looking up at the radio, it's a touchscreen system, DAB radio included, as you can see. In the phone options, you can connect a device there for hands-free calling and media streaming. You can download apps as well from Ford Connect. And then I'm just going into the settings just to show you there. You've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. So just to use that, connect using the USB to your phone. That will mirror your phone to the screen above here. It's really useful for things like the sat navs on your phone if you use the Waze sat nav, anything like that. And then you've got lots of storage options. Behind the steering wheel, we've got another USB and 12 volt charging socket, so loads and loads going on there. And lastly, I'm just going to point out, you've got an automatic gear stick there. This is an automatic vehicle, so that's a very, very heavily sought after option in vans at the moment. So, okay. So Gwyn, the H2 Full Transit Custom, I'm sure you'd agree, fantastic vehicle, loads and loads of features there to benefit yourself. So anything at all that we can do to be of further assistance, please feel free to let us know. Now, if this video has been useful, if you can hit that 5-star review button for me, that would be greatly appreciated on my part. Once again, thank you very much for your time today. Have a very, very lovely day ahead.